Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 8. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. Day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Rainfall in millimeter 0.0, 12.0, 12.2, 12.2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5 and 1.0. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Right, first of all we have to find the range. That is question number 1. We have to find the range. We know that the range of the rainfall, the range of the rainfall, the range of the rainfall is equal to highest rainfall, highest rainfall minus lowest rainfall, minus lowest rainfall. Now here you see, the highest rainfall is this one, that is on Friday, that is 20.5. It is the highest rainfall, right? That is 20.5. That is on Friday. You see, this is the highest rainfall, right? Therefore it is 20.5, 20.5, and lowest rainfall is 0, right? 0.0 minus 0.0 milliliter, millimeter, right? Therefore we are getting the range is 20.5 millimeter. This is the range of the rainfall. Now question number 2 is find the mean rainfall for the week. Mean rainfall, question number 2 is, you have to find the mean rainfall. Mean rainfall is equal to sum of rainfall recorded, sum of rainfall recorded divided by total number of days, total number of days, right? Now if you add all the numbers, that is, if we add here, that is Monday is 0.0, 0.0 plus Tuesday is 12.2, 12.2 plus Wednesday is 2.1, 2.1 plus Thursday is 0.0, Thursday is 0.0, Thursday. Friday is 20.5, 20.5. Saturday is 5.5, it is 5.5, and Sunday is 1.0. Sunday is plus 1.0, 1.0 divided by total number of days. Here total number of days, the number of days is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is divided by 7. Right? If we add all the numbers, what you are getting, you see, we add all the numbers, you are getting, that is 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 1, 11, 12, 13. Carry 1, here 3, carry 1, then it is 1 plus 1, 2, 5, 2, 5, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry 1, it is 1, carry 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. That is 41.3, 41.3 divided by 7. If we divide 41.3 by 7, what you are getting, you see, 5 7 35, 5 7 35, 35, 5, 6, 11, 3 and 4, point, this is point, this is 3, 7 9 just 63, 7 9 just 63. That we are getting 5.9 millimeter. We are getting 5.9, 5.9, 5.9 millimeter. Right? Now the third question is, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Here you see, the mean rainfall is 20.5. Here you see, mean rainfall is 20.5. That is, mean rainfall is 25.5. That is on Monday it is less, on Tuesday it is less, on Wednesday it is less, on Thursday it is less, on Saturday it is less, and on Sunday. 1 2 3 4 5. Right? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 days. Right? Therefore 6 days. Therefore, how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Therefore, you can say that is 6 days. Mean rainfall is 5.9. Here you see, let us again find. The mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. 5.9. Here you see, which one is less than 5.9? That is on Monday. That is on Monday. It is 0.0, less than 5.9. Tuesday is greater. We will not count this one. Wednesday is 2.1. It is also 2.1. Thursday is 0.0. It is also less than 5.9. 25.5 it is greater, therefore we cannot count this one. And Saturday is 5.5. It is also less than 5.9, this one. And Saturday is also 1 less than 5.9. That is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Right? Therefore 5 days. On how many days? That is, the answer is 5 days. Question number 3 is 5 days. Right? That is 5 days. Right? That is Monday, 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 Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, it is less, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, it is Thursday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. And Saturday and Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, and Sunday. Sunday rainfalls were less than the were less than the mean rainfall. Then the mean rainfall. Right? Mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. Therefore, these days are less than the mean rainfall. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.